So we are moving for the last topic of the multiplexer, 8:1 multiplexer. So in this class we study about 8 input with 1 output. So for this the concept is same, but I need to select how many select lines are required. So according to the program, to the power of n, to the power of 3, then to the power of 3 is in 8, then I require 3 select line. Then I should be give the name of the program is module, and I should be followed by the name of the program, and I have input is D. The D has to be declared for 8 input. Then I require a vector value. The vector is 0 to 7. LSB value is 0, MSB value is 7 and is of the type input. Then I need a select line. The 3 select line has to be required. Again I require the vector type. The vector type is start with 0 to 2, 0, 1, 2. 0 is the LSB, 2 is the MSB and is an input. Then I go for y. The y is an output, because of I am writing in the behavioral model, I should be writing REG with the output. Then this is syntax for the input and output is over. Let me move for the coding part. In the coding we have always with at, SEL with the D, and start with the begin, and I have again the variety of the cases. The cases I should be use the keyword case and followed by the select is the word. Then I need to select the 3 value for that one. Because of that I am representing the 3 as of type B. The first one is 0, 0, 0. Whenever my select line is 0, 0, 0, I need to assign what is the value I am storing in the D0 line, that to Y. Because of that the representation is D0 of Y. The next case is 3, 0, 0, 1, D1 to Y, 0, 1, 0, D2 to Y, 0, 1, 1, that D3 to Y, 1, 0, 0 for the fourth case, D4 to Y, 5 is 1, 0, 1, D5 to that, 1, 1, 0 is 6, D6 to Y, 1, 1, 1 is 7, D7 to Y. So this is for all the cases I need to add it. So whenever I am not selecting any cases, I should go for the default. The default value is y is equal to 0. The y is equal to 0 is I am not selecting any select line, then the output has to be get to 0. So then I should be end by the cases end case, then program need to be end by end. Then I go for the end module. The program is start. So once the program is written, I need to go for the test benches. The test benches will be added for the previous program, the lab program by the multiplexer 8:1. So we already give, and all the inputs are declared as REG with the variable D with 0 to 7, the select line with 0 to 2, and outputs are represented with wire. Then I need to write the unit under test for the previous program, that is for the lab multiplexer 8:1. You can write the name as 8:1 for UUT, and I have a 3 variable. The 2 are be acting as input, the 1 will be acting as an output. Then I should be start my test benches between the keyword initial, begin with end. After begin I should be pass the 8 inputs, because D0 to D7. So in this line you have to check with the different inputs. I am checking for the one input. You can randomly provide any input, but the output has to be generated from this right side to the left side. This is the D0, this is the D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Then because I have 8 input, then I will be represented 8. Then you can choose the select line from the initialized value 0, 0. It's not always that 0, 0. You can also provide any value. So whatever you provide in the first cases, that will be will generate the output in that output waveform. Then after 100 nanoseconds, I need to change my select line to the different value. Then I give it. It's not compulsory always 100 nanosecond. You can start with 5, 10, 20 or 100. Any value you can providing. So according to that time limit, that select line has to be changed. Then the select line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the way will be generated for the test benches for this. Then I have to end. Then I should go for the end module. So whenever I want to run the program, definitely I got the waveform is in this format. So this is the waveform will be generated after running. See this my input is providing here. Then my select line is that. So you can move the cursor for the yellow line for all the possible combination. So definitely you get the waveform of this. So my input is 0, 0. The select line is 0, 0. The output is always I for the first 100 nanosecond, because D1 is this. The next is 0, 0, 1. For that next 100 nanoseconds, the output is also high. The next is D3 is 0, the output is 0. D4 is also 0, the output is what? D2, D0, D1,